green lands, and indeed it is a matter of great pride and privilege for me to introduce myself as the Vice Principal of Zareen Jan Girls Campus. Zareen Jan Girls Campus has a vision to empower and enrich the minds and souls of the young girls of our society.
It is not just a building, rather it's a beacon of opportunity for our young and talented girls to explore their potentials and abilities at their fullest. It is a purpose-built campus that is designed with the highest standards in mind to ensure that our young girls have access to 21st century education. I will ensure that under my supervision, every girl can dream big and work hard to make a difference not in the society but in this world. Thank you for believing in us and thank you for believing in Superior Education System.